Hey guys, let's talk about this WavLink Docking Station. As you can see, I have it working with 3 monitors connected to my MacBook Pro. The docking station is super small. I'm using 3 HDMI cables, but I can also use DisplayPort. You see here, works with HDMI and DisplayPort as well. Let me just show the details here on the back. Basically 3 HDMI cables. I can also use the DisplayPorts. Total of 3 monitors at the same time. It doesn't matter if I have 5 ports here, I can do a combination of DisplayPorts and HDMI and have 3 monitors working. Here in the front I connect to my laptop using this USB-C cable that comes with the device. And this cable here I connect to my power supply. It doesn't come with the cable to connect to the power supply, okay? And it does not come with the power supply as well. I'm using mine here, so be aware of that. You just power the device, connect to your laptop, and it starts working. It also works with Windows. I'm using here macOS, but works with Windows as well. Let me just show you that I can move here from screen to screen that way. So it works great. And basically here, as you can see, I can just connect to charge my device with 100 watts of power supply connected here. And then it can power your laptop with up to 95 watts. And I can also have the data transfer here working with 10 gigabits per second. The cable comes here with the option to connect with USB-C and USB-A. So you have a cable that you can just change from USB-C to USB-A, okay? So great, here you have the ports, HDMI and DisplayPort. Here in front you have a LED that you can see that's working, USB-C, and here the connection to the power supply. So super good. You can use in mirror mode or extended mode like I'm using right now. And here works with different operating systems like ChromeOS, Windows, Android, Linux, and macOS. Super great, right? It's working pretty fine here. I'm using with my DaVinci Resolve for editing videos, so I can have my main screen here and the clean feed just right here. Super great. Let me just approach here the user menu so you see the details. There we go. Basically here, display ports, HDMIs. I'm using 3 HDMIs connecting to my PC using this upstream port that I can use 10 gigabits per second or 95 watts. The LED just right here, and the power supply up to 100 watts. So that's the diagram of the connection. Super simple. You just need to install the software as well, the driver. There's a QR code here that you can scan and see the details of the installation. Super simple. Use 3 monitors here with 4K resolution. You see here that I can use single display, dual display, or triple display with Windows or Mac, extend or mirror mode, any of them with 4K resolution. And you have also the question and answers here. It's working pretty fine. The installation also simple. Let me just show here that I'm using this software, right? I can just download from the website. Let me just show here that I came to the WavLink website here. You see that I have the driver for this model, and I can download for Windows, Mac, or Linux. And the installation is super simple. I just drag and drop here and it starts working. And I'm gonna have this system and screen audio recording on Mac. Also, I come here and I just enable the macOS Instant View. Okay, the instructions are in the user menu, right? But you just need to enable here to make it work. So basically you're saying to your Mac that it allows to record the screen and do its magic and start working with 3 monitors here, okay? So super simple, working pretty fine here with all my applications, right? Let me just approach here one more time so you see the device, right? There we go. That's the WavLink Docking Station. Let me just get some focus here. There we go. WavLink Docking Station. See, super small with my 3 HDMI cables, working fine. So I like this one. I highly recommend it. You can get yours on Amazon.